Global dishes. Welcome to our culinary journey around the globe. Today, we are diving deep into the rich tapestry of cultures that shape our world, all through the lens of 10 iconic global dishes. Each dish tells a story, a narrative woven from history, tradition, and the very essence of the people who create and savor it. Join me as we explore how these culinary masterpieces reflect the culture and heritage of their respective countries. Number 1. Italy. Risotto. Our first stop is Italy, where we encounter the luxurious and creamy risotto. Originating from northern Italy, particularly the Lombardy region, this dish is made with arborio rice, which is known for its high starch content. As we stir the rice slowly, we are reminded of the Italian philosophy of la dolce vita, the sweet life. Risotto is not merely a meal, it embodies the Italian spirit of patience and precision. Each bite reflects the agricultural bounty of the land, from fragrant saffron to fresh seafood, making it a celebration of local produce and communal dining. Number 2. Mexico. Tacos. Next, we travel to Mexico, where the humble taco reigns supreme. This versatile dish, with its origins tracing back to the indigenous peoples of the region, showcases the vibrant flavors of Mexican cuisine. The taco is more than a meal, it is a symbol of identity and community. Each region of Mexico boasts its unique fillings, from succulent carnitas in Michoacán to fresh fish in Baja California. Tacos represent the fusion of ancient traditions with modern influences, creating a culinary landscape that is as diverse as the people themselves. Number 3. Japan. Sushi. Now, let us journey to Japan, where sushi awaits us. This elegant dish, often perceived as a culinary art form, reflects the Japanese ethos of simplicity and precision. With its roots in preserving fish, sushi has evolved into a global phenomenon. However, at its core, it remains a celebration of the sea's bounty and the meticulous craftsmanship of skilled chefs. The balance of flavors, textures, and colors in sushi mirrors the Japanese appreciation for nature and seasonal ingredients, reminding us of the deep connection between food and culture. Number 4. India. Biryani. Our next destination is India, where we encounter the fragrant and flavorful biryani. This dish, a beautiful amalgamation of rice, spices, and marinated meat, has a history that dates back to the Mughal Empire. Each region in India has its interpretation of biryani, showcasing the diverse culinary heritage of the country. The intricate layering of flavors symbolizes the complexity of Indian culture, a blend of traditions, religions, and communities coming together to create something truly remarkable. Biryani is not just a feast for the senses, it is a reflection of India's historical journeys and cultural exchanges. Number 5. Thailand. Pad Thai. Next, we arrive in Thailand, where Pad Thai delights our palates. This stir-fried noodle dish, believed to have been popularized in the 1930s as part of a national campaign to promote Thai identity, embodies the essence of Thai cuisine. The balance of sweet, sour, salty, and spicy flavors captures the vibrant spirit of Thai culture. Pad Thai is often enjoyed as street food, reflecting the communal nature of dining in Thailand, where food brings people together in bustling markets and cozy eateries alike. Number 6. Ethiopia. Injera. Now, we head to Ethiopia, where the unique flatbread known as injera takes center stage. Made from teff flour, injera serves as both a plate and a utensil, embodying the shared meal philosophy prevalent in Ethiopian culture. Traditionally, meals are served on a large communal platter, and diners use pieces of injera to scoop up flavorful stews known as wat. This practice emphasizes community, hospitality, and the importance of sharing food, revealing the deep-rooted values of togetherness and connection within Ethiopian society. Number 7. France. Coq au vin. Our culinary expedition then takes us to France, where we savor coq au vin, a dish steeped in history and tradition. Originating from rural France, this coq au vin utilizes chicken braised slowly in red wine, alongside mushrooms, onions, and lardons. The dish reflects the French commitment to culinary artistry and quality ingredients. Coq au vin is not just a meal, it tells the story of French rural life, where every ingredient has a purpose and every bite recalls the traditions passed down through generations. Number 8. Greece, moussaka. Next, we find ourselves in Greece, where moussaka reigns as a beloved comfort food. This layered dish, typically composed of eggplant, minced meat, and bechamel sauce, carries with it the influence of various cultures, from the Ottomans to the Italians. Moussaka represents the Greek spirit of hospitality and the importance of family meals. Each layer tells a tale of the land's agricultural bounty and the art of cooking that has been cherished through centuries. Number 9. Spain, paella. Now, let's travel to Spain, where paella is not just a dish, but a celebration of life. Originating from the Valencia region, this rice dish is traditionally cooked in a wide, shallow pan and can feature a variety of ingredients, from seafood to rabbit. Paella embodies the essence of Spanish culture, vibrant, colorful, and communal. The act of sharing a paella amongst friends and family is a reflection of the social fabric that defines Spanish life, where food and conversation go hand in hand. Number 10. South Korea, kimchi. Our final destination is South Korea, where we encounter kimchi, a quintessential side dish that has transcended generations. Made from fermented vegetables, typically Napa cabbage and radishes, kimchi is rich in flavor and probiotic goodness. More than just a condiment, kimchi represents the resilience and resourcefulness of the Korean people, who have preserved their food culture through times of hardship. The preparation of kimchi is often a communal activity, bringing families together, and it is a staple in every Korean meal, symbolizing the deep-rooted values of family and tradition. As we've explored these 10 remarkable dishes, it's evident that food is a powerful storyteller, an intricate reflection of the cultures, histories, and people that shape our world. Each dish is a testament to the richness of human experience, a reminder that through food, we can connect across borders and celebrate our shared humanity. Thank you for joining me on this culinary journey. Until next time, may your meals be as enriching as the stories they tell.